yesterday I should not have done anything, but yes, markets get to everyone. It's not easy to be extremely focused and calm when you're trading the market. So yesterday and today's that news event was there from international markets. Now, I had I not known about it, I may not have done anything yesterday, but I knew about the event. It plays with your mind. It's not easy. Okay, whatever I share with you, that you should do this, you should do that, it may not be the easiest thing in the world. It is difficult, and please understand, it is a good thing that following our trading framework is a little difficult. Why? Because then not everyone is going to do that. And if you and me, we push through that pain and then we follow the framework correctly, we are going to get into some really good trading opportunities, and we will make the best possible career that can be made as a trader. Now, I'm not saying that it's possible to be perfect every time. I'm going to make mistakes. Everyone will make mistakes. Everyone will make losses also. But the point is that you realize that you made a mistake. You realize that the thought process that you followed or that you entertained during that particular situation was not correct. This admission that we may have made a mistake and we should be improving from the next time onwards is enough for you to keep making progress in your trading. Although I followed the script, like even when I have to adjust it, I followed the script. In adjusting it, I went one step below in case of strikes. So I went to the next lower HVN, and then to fund that I had to establish a bearish credit spread. Although I would have loved to establish this bearish credit spread around 42,000 or 42,200 levels. That would have given me more peace of mind. But anyways, right now it seems to be okay. Let us see how the market develops. There was bearish news expected from the international markets, although that should not feature in our trading decision making, but that was an overnight risk. Always understand, had it happened during the market, it was a different story, but it was an overnight risk. Yesterday, if they had raised the interest rates by 100 basis points, it would have killed the Dow Jones, and that would have reflected here today in form of very sharp down move. Yesterday, you can see that we had IB range extension down, value was developing lower, and then we tried to go up. So looking at the fact that the IB range extension was down, the value was lower, if the market had rallied even and gotten above this high, it would have left this as an anomaly, a logical anomaly, and that would definitely have pulled the markets down quickly. When market was trading around here, this was the correct time to establish a bearish credit spread. And in that case, I could have gone much further away from the markets. At least it was a good opportunity either to book some profits on the bullish credit spread, or when the loss was very, very low, use that opportunity to push this down. I did not have a very clear mind yesterday. Usually it does not happen, but I actually liked it that I did not have a clear mind, because it reminds you that yes, you are prone to these things. You will be swayed by your emotions. Higher time frame traders, smart money traders will fool you. They will be successful in their efforts more often than not, and you have to take the lesson and you have to keep it in mind when you come back to trading the next day. That is what will keep you on the right track. So yesterday, not a very proud moment for me, and I have learned my lesson, and I will be utilizing it accordingly.